China Evergrande CEO, CFO stepped down after probe into Assets Services Unit. China Evergrande Group stated on Friday that its leader, government officer and finance head have resigned after a preliminary probe discovered their involvement in diverting loans secured by way of its publicly listed unit to the organization. The indebted company changed into investigating how deposits well worth 13.4 billion yuan, $1.99 billion, belonging to the unit, Evergrande Property Services, have been used as collateral for pledge guarantees and seized by using banks. The pledges threatened to wipe out most of the cash the unit turned into protecting. The enterprise said the loans secured by the pledges, which involved 3 units of deposits, had been transferred and diverted returned to the organization via 0.33 events and had been used for the overall operations of the group. Global investors have turned their interest to the Chinese developer's coins flow problems out of worry that a fall apart may shake the financial gadget and sluggish improvement in the world's second-large street economic system. The embattled developer stated CEO Xia Haijun has resigned from the organization due to his involvement in the association of the pledges, in conjunction with Chief Financial Officer Pan Darong. Su Shan, who is currently an Gov Director of the corporation and chairman of the group's EV unit, has been appointed as the new CEO. Vice President Qian Cheng has been named CFO, the business mentioned. Evergrande stated it become in talks with Evergrande Property Services approximately the compensation schedule for the quantities associated with the pledges. The plan is specially to activate the applicable sums by way of moving assets of the institution to the unit, the organization stated. The developer said it would do not forget appointing an internal control consultant to conduct a complete assessment of the internal manage and danger management systems of the organization, in view of the preliminary findings of the probe, and could trouble a record as soon as the probe is closed. $1 equals 6.7488 Chinese yuan renminbi.